What's up, everybody? With sick week coming up and nighttime driving is required, I wanted to improve my lighting. So bought some of the high-rated LED bulbs off Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments, but we're going to install them, compare them, and then overall thoughts. Alright guys, so these are the 3 different packs of LED lights I got from Amazon. Obviously they're straight from China, which you can see by the packaging. It's always kind of crappy, whatever. For reference, 1156 amber bulbs, that's what we're going to be using for turn signals. I got 1156 in white, which will be for my reverse lights. And then I got 1157 also in white for the tail lights. I have LX taillights on my car, but I believe it should be the same for cheese graters as well as like SVO or 93 Cobra. Just open one up real quick. This one's already kind of opened up. These are going to be my amber, so my turn signals. These 2057s are brake lights. That should pop open somehow here. And then the last ones are going to be our white reverse lights, which apparently are ripped open. Thanks, China. So what we'll do next is we're going to go through how to actually remove your current bulbs. We'll compare the incandescent bulbs to these guys, show you how to put them in, and then we'll compare LED from incandescent. All right, so removing the bulbs is pretty easy though. Let me see if I get this set up here on a tripod. Behind the taillights here, you can see there's going to be 3 sockets. There's one here, which is your reverse. This is your turn signal, and then the outer is your brake light. So all you got to do is twist them to the left. They pop out. You can see the bulb here. You'll push down, turn counterclockwise, and then the bulb pops out. So that one is my reverse. Here is my turn, obviously amber colored. And then finally, we have our tail light. So in no particular order, we can compare the bulbs. These brands are all different, all made in China, I'm assuming. I picked ones that had high ratings on Amazon, so I'm hoping that they kind of work. So this is going to be a reverse light. So if you look on the bottom, there's a single prong, so this is a single filament bulb. For a turn signal, this is obviously also single filament, but amber color. And then for your stop and running lights, these are dual filament. So with this style bulb, you can tell by the base if there's 2 or 1 prong. Obviously that's going to correlate to how many filaments it should have or functions basically. So that's the difference between them. Let's throw them in now. Reassembly is just as easy. So here's my stop light. We'll throw that guy in, twist and lock. So once you get it lined up, it'll pop right in. So then we'll move over to our turn signal. So this is the amber bulb. Pushes in, turns, now it's locked in. And last, we have our reverse light. Slide this guy in, turn and twist. And now we're locked down in. All right, so now we're going to compare. Right side's got LEDs, left side has got the original incandescent. So we're going to start with our parking lights. This is going to be obviously with the lights on. Overall, I'm pretty pleased. All the lights are definitely brighter. Reverse lights are significantly brighter than stock. Definitely would recommend these to people. I'll put a link in the comments for you guys if you want them. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. If you like what you see, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Thanks.